Trinidad and Tobago snack recipes part 2 by Angel Nightingale. Number 1. Trinidad beef pie pastry. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 1 hour 50 minutes. Total time 2 hours 10 minutes. Servings 20. Ingredients. Filling. 1 pack about 1 pound. Minced beef. 2 leaves big thyme. 5 sprigs chive. 2 pimento pepper. 1 teaspoon. Paprika. 2 cloves garlic. A half medium onion. Pie crust. 2 cups flour 1 teaspoon. Paprika. 2 cloves garlic. A half medium onion. Pie crust. 2 cups flour. A half cup shortening. A half cup butter unsalted. A half cup cold water. Instructions. Place the beef in a small pot or frying pan. Add the thyme, chive, pimento pepper, salt, paprika, garlic and onion to the beef. Cook over a medium flame. There is no need to add oil because the minced beef has its own fat. Set aside when done. Cut the butter and shortening into the flour, then add the cold water. Roll into a coarse ball. Don't need. To roll the ball, you can dust with a little flour. Cut into smaller balls of your preferred size. This recipe makes about 27 medium-sized beef pies. To make the small balls, roll small amounts of pastry dough in the palm of your hands. Again, don't knead. Flatten each ball and place some beef in the middle, about 1 tablespoon of beef. Roll in half and seal the edges. You can use a fork to mark the edges. Place on greased cookie sheet and bake in the oven for about 30 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit or until golden brown. Allow to cool and serve. Number 2. Crispy yam chips. Course vegetarian. Cuisine fusion. Prep time 16 minutes. Cook time 25 minutes. Total time 41 minutes. Servings 4. Ingredients. 1 pound. Yam. Salt to taste. Oil for frying. Water to boil the yam. Instructions. Peel and boil the yam until it is cooked. Do not overcook. To test whether the yam is cooked, use a knife. Remove the yam from the water, drain and allow to cool. Slice the yam into a 1/4 inch pieces. Heat the oil and fry the yam until golden brown. Remove and drain on a napkin. Once most of the oil is drained out, place in a bowl and add salt to taste. Dip. Combine a little ketchup, mustard and homemade pepper sauce. Number 3. Tulam. Tulam is a Caribbean treat made with molasses. This black, chewy, and sticky dessert is a favorite among children and adults alike. Course desserts. Cuisine Creole. Prep time 20 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Total time 35 minutes. Servings 4. Calories 118 kcal. Ingredients. 1 cup finely grated coconut. 3 tablespoon molasses. 1 teaspoon. Fresh ground ginger. Half a teaspoon. Dried orange peel broken into small pieces. 2/3 cup brown sugar. Instructions. Grate the coconut, preferably by hand. Grate the ginger. Grate the dried orange peel into tiny pieces. Place sugar in pot to liquefy. Add grated coconut and molasses and mix thoroughly. Then add the ginger and orange peel and stir. Stir until the mixture leaves the side. Note: to maintain the color without burning, stir over a low fire. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto a greased dish or pan. Form into bowls. Note: let the tulam cool a little. Then use the spoon first to roll the tulam before rolling it in your hands. Allow to cool and harden. Hope you enjoy. Until next time. Have a beautiful day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.